Whatever the job, good quality tools in peak condition are a pleasure to use. For woodworking and other cutting applications, this means using tools with finely sharpened or honed edges. Sharp tools give the best finish and make tasks more productive and safer by requiring less effort. The Trend range of diamond whetstones is designed to sharpen and hone tools for optimum cutting performance. These whetstones can be used to sharpen router cutters, chisels, plane irons, saw blades, turning chisels, and other woodworking tools. They can also be used for honing knives, scissors, garden tools, or almost any edge tool. All forms of sharpening involve abrading metal away with an abrasive material to give a honed edge. The material used to form the edge on the tool, such as this tungsten carbide tipped router cutter, needs to have a high degree of hardness to withstand wear during cutting. Therefore, to sharpen the edge, an even harder material must be used as a whetstone. Traditional whetstones are made from relatively soft corundum or aluminium oxide and quickly wear or dish even when used on steel tools. As this graph shows, these whetstones are only just harder than steel. They're too soft to sharpen a tungsten carbide edge. Diamond is the hardest known substance, up to 20 times harder than steel. Its hardness comes from the 4 bonds between each carbon atom. This allows diamond to abrade all other materials, making it the best choice for a whetstone. Trend diamond whetstones use monocrystalline industrial diamonds bonded to a nickel-plated steel base, using an electrolytic process. This gives exceptional corrosion resistance and strength. The monocrystalline form produces a high rate of material removal with a more variable abrasion pattern compared to polycrystalline industrial diamonds. A further electroless process achieves uniform coverage of diamonds and the flattest possible honing surface. The flatness tolerance on this diamond bench whetstone is within 0.005 of an inch, a level of precision unique to this range. The diamonds used are Element 6, formerly known as De Beers, the world's leading supplier of high-quality superabrasives and industrial diamond materials. Using a Trend diamond whetstone has many advantages. It needs less effort. A sharp edge can be produced with just a few light strokes. This solid carbide block can be abraded in just a few strokes. Unlike traditional whetstones, no oil is used. This purpose-made lapping fluid reduces the threat of rusting or clogging and evaporates after use. A Trend diamond whetstone is highly versatile. It can sharpen all hard materials, including hardened steels and tungsten carbide. Each whetstone has a continuous diamond sharpening surface. This gives 50% more diamonds compared with earlier designs with holes and gaps which can easily clog or snag the tool edge. Many of the whetstones are double-sided, with a coarse sharpening side and a fine finishing side, another unique feature of this range. Diamond sharpening prolongs the life of tools by reducing the need for harsher regrinding. It also makes using your tools safer. Sharp edges need less cutting force applied to them during use. Using a grinder involves high speeds and potentially dangerous flying grit, metal shards and sparks. A diamond stone is safer, faster and more effective. Unlike conventional whetstones, these stones will not break, chip, crack, hollow or groove. Trend diamond whetstones offer outstanding sharpening performance, combined with durable construction and quality to give your tools the best possible edge.